We published a paper this week on bipolar and atypical cognitive processes. So bipolar results in changes in mood from very emotional highs called mania to emotional lows called depression, and euthymia is a stable mood state. So we know that bipolar is associated with a number of atypical cognitive processes, but we're not sure how they might influence change in mood over time. So our study looked at perfectionism, dysfunctional attitudes, which are a negative way of thinking about the self, and metacognition, which is thinking about thinking. And we were also interested in how the role of self-compassion might be influencing how these cognitive processes relate to mood. All of these atypical dysfunctional cognitive processes, perfectionism, negative attitudes, and metacognition, were related to or predicted depression 3 months later, but nothing predicted mania. We also found that self-compassion amplified this effect on depression. So if you had more dysfunctional cognition and lower self-compassion, you were experiencing worse mood. Mania, lower dysfunctional attitude, so less negative views about the self, and more self-compassion, so more ability to be kind to yourself, was related to mania. So these findings can help inform treatments that we offer to people experiencing bipolar, because if they are feeling depressed at the time, we might want to reduce some of the dysfunctional cognitions they're displaying. But if they're manic, we definitely don't want to be focusing on self-compassion, because we could make the symptoms worse.